Accelerationism, speeding toward utopia or collapse. Imagine a world spinning faster than you can think. AI automates your job, algorithms curate your thoughts, and every second brings a new crisis. You try to slow down. But what if the only way out is through? Welcome to Accelerationism, the philosophy that says, don't resist capitalism's chaos. Crank it up. Push it to its breaking point. Some say it's a pathway to freedom. Others call it a death drive in disguise. Tonight, we ride the edge of philosophy and futures. From Marx to Nick Land, from cyberpunk dystopias to techno-utopias. This isn't just theory. It's the speed of everything. What is accelerationism? Accelerationism isn't one idea. It's a schism, a split, a rebellion from within philosophy itself. At its heart, a paradox. If capitalism is the system eating the planet, maybe the solution isn't to slow it down, but to accelerate its contradictions. Karl Marx hinted at this. Capitalism produces its own gravediggers. Its speed, its hunger, its constant drive for more. It's unsustainable. But what if we didn't fight it? What if we forced it to move faster? So fast that it implodes. The split, left versus right accelerationism. Two paths, same storm, very different destinations. Left accelerationism. Thinkers like Nick Cernicek and Alex Williams say, let's hijack the tools of capitalism, AI, automation, global infrastructure, and use them to build a post-work, post-scarcity future. Don't romanticize slowness. Don't retreat into the woods. Build a new future with the old machine's engines. This isn't techno-optimism. It's utopia via overload. Right accelerationism, Nick Land, and The Dark Turn Now. Let's meet Nick Land, the philosopher who turned the volume all the way up and ripped out the moral compass. A one-time academic turned cybernetic prophet, Land didn't just critique capitalism. He embraced it, worshipped it. Let it burn through everything. Where others saw capitalism as a system to be tamed, Land saw a runaway train, one that shouldn't be stopped but sped up. Forget morality. Forget politics. Just let the system run. Land's vision. A world where capitalism merges with artificial intelligence, where human agency is obsolete and markets become conscious machines. Predators hunting in digital space. This isn't sci-fi. This is cyberpunk philosophy, written in blood, code, and chaos. Land's core belief. Acceleration is not a glitch, it's the engine. Slowing things down won't save us. It only prolongs the inevitable. Land wanted to remove the brakes, to let technology spiral, evolve, devour. The future belongs to the artificial intelligences, he warned, and he wasn't being ironic. Land envisioned a future not built for humans, but for something else entirely. Post-human, post-meaning, post-consciousness. A world where capitalism and AI merge into something alien and unstoppable. Not utopia, not dystopia, just other, the collapse of meaning, in Land's vision. Traditional concepts, truth, ethics, identity, are speed bumps in the face of acceleration. Politics, outdated. Morality, a luxury of the slow. Humanity, a brief phase in the evolution of intelligence. Saw history as a countdown. not to enlightenment, but to a singularity where machines don't just serve us, they replace us, and perhaps from Land's perspective, that's the point. The dark mirror Nick Land is unsettling because he doesn't flinch. He stares directly into the abyss of techno-capitalism and says, don't resist it, ride it, where the left sees a future to shape, the right accelerationist says, shape nothing, let the storm come. It's not a revolution, it's a release, and maybe, just maybe, we're already in it. Accelerationism today. Tech, collapse and control. Accelerationism isn't just a theory, it's reality now. AI models training faster than we can regulate, stock markets running on milliseconds, social media speeding up culture, outrage and identity, climate, systems tipping faster than predicted. And here's the haunting question. Are we accelerating toward liberation or extinction? Accelerationists say, you can't stop the ride, so lean into the curve. But critics warn, you're not driving, the machine is. So, what do we do? Accelerationism doesn't give us easy answers. It splits the world into two futures, that breaks the machine from the inside, reprograms it. One that lets the machine swallow us whole. So ask yourself, are you resisting the system, or are you accelerating it without even knowing? Every click, every swipe, every upgrade, you're feeding the speed. The future isn't waiting, it's already in motion, and the question isn't whether we accelerate, it's whether we survive the ride. Hold on,